What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, just dropped another quick video. It looks like developers are being targeted by hackers again. So today, on the heels of the npm exploit from I want to say roughly 2 weeks ago, that was affecting npm packages. Now we have a self-spreading glass worm that's affecting visual code extensions in a widespread supply chain attack. So this is the second major attack that's been exploited or exposed in a matter of 2 or 3 weeks. So basically, before we get into the details on this one, a way to disable your IDE from consuming this exploit is to just go in and manually disable auto update of extensions in VS Code. I don't have that installed on this particular machine, or I would show it, but basically you go on the extensions tab and just click disable auto update, and that will prevent your system from consuming the exposed extension. Furthermore, so basically cybersecurity researchers have discovered a self-propagating worm that spreads via visual code extensions on the OpenVSX registry and the Microsoft Extension Marketplace, underscoring how developers have become a primary target for attacks. The sophisticated threat codenamed Glassworm by Core Security is the second supply chain attack to hit the DevOps space within a span of a month, after the Shahid Hulud worm that targeted the npm ecosystem in mid-September. So that's the one I was speaking about previously, and then now this is a new one. What makes this attack stand out is the use of the Solana blockchain for command and control, making the infrastructure resilient to take down efforts. It also uses a Google Calendar as a C2 fallback mechanism. So the attackers are definitely busy. And then we have here the names of the infected extensions, 13 of them on the OpenVSX and one on the Microsoft Extension Marketplace are listed below. These extensions have been downloaded about 35,000 times. The first infections took place on October 17th, so roughly about 2 weeks ago. It's currently not known how these extensions were hijacked, but this is a list of the extensions. I'll definitely add them to the description in the video, along with the link to this Hacker News article. Yeah, basically, if you are a developer, you need to be safe out there. So keep your IDE updated. If you're using Visual Studio, I will go ahead and turn on that auto update feature. But the extensions, until this gets resolved, you may want to leave those on disable auto update, like I mentioned previously. But yeah, there's a lot going on these days, especially with the big push going on with AI also. So developers are going to continue to be targets, and these AI systems that are being built out will soon be targets as well. So stay safe out there, guys. As always, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. At any rate,